Welcome to our guide on the 5 best electric bikes you can buy in 2023. Nowadays, more and more people are looking for eco-friendly and efficient ways to get around. Electric bikes offer a great solution as they are a low-cost and low-maintenance way to get around. In this guide, we'll provide you with an overview of the 5 best electric bikes available in 2023 so you can make an informed decision and get the most out of your purchase. So, let's get started. Number 5. Swagtron Swagcycle EB5. The Swagtron Swagcycle EB5 is a great option for those looking for a lightweight, easy-to-assemble electric bike. The bike features adjustable height for adults and teens, 14-inch wheels, and a 15.5-mile range on a single charge. The foldable bike frame can accommodate riders up to 264 pounds and easily fits into compact vehicles and tight spaces. The pre-assembled bike comes with quick disconnect power lines and a 4 to 5 hour charge time. Overall, the EB5 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, efficient electric bike. Number 4. Schwinn Healy Ridge. The Schwinn Healy Ridge electric mountain bike is a great choice for any cyclist looking to explore trails or ride around town. With its durable alloy frame, 18-speed drivetrain, and 26-inch wheels, this electric bike is perfect for riders between 64 and 74 inches tall. Number 3. Schwinn Coston. The Schwinn Coston adult electric hybrid bike is the perfect bike for your daily commute, errands, or just meeting up with friends. With a lightweight frame and 27.5-inch wheels, this bike fits riders from 5.4 inches to 6.0 inches. A 250-watt brushless geared hub drive motor gives you a 20 miles per hour boost while you pedal, and an integrated down to 360-watt battery can last up to 45 miles on a single charge. Accessories included are integrated LED lights on the battery, head and taillights, full coverage fenders, and a rear rack for carrying extra cargo. All Squin e-bike batteries are lab-tested to comply with UL standards. In this video, we review the Schwinn Coston adult electric hybrid bike, a great choice for your daily commute. Number 2. Epico. The Epico electric bike is an impressive piece of equipment for both novice and experienced riders. With its 250-watt motor, 20 miles per hour speed, 36-volt or 8 amp hours removable lithium battery, and 21-speed gear shifter, the Epico has all the power and speed riders need to take on any terrain. The revolutionary triple triangle frame provides great balance, support, and overall performance. The 8 amp hours battery system provides an impressive 20 miles of range on a single charge. What's more, the bike is easy to assemble. 85% of the parts are already pre-assembled. The Epico electric bike is an excellent choice for those looking for an all-encompassing bike. Number 1. Onbot T6F. The Onbot T6F electric bike foldable is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and efficient electric bike. With its 20 inches by 4.0 inches fat tire, 350-watt motor, and 48-volt 7.8 amp hours removable battery, it provides plenty of power, a 45-mile range, and a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. The Shimano 6-speed gear allows you to conquer a variety of terrain, while the adjustable and foldable design makes it perfect for commuters. The customer service is also top-notch, so you can rest assured knowing that you're in good hands. All in all, the Onbot T6F electric bike foldable is a great choice for anyone looking for an electric bike.